If you're looking for a new salad to try, you should try this celery salad. It is over the top. You've got your good fats, your protein, and it's low in carbs. Let's get started. Now that we're trying to keep this low carb, we're going to go with just a tiny bit of romaine lettuce and some cabbage, because cabbage is lower in carbs than some of your lettuce mix. And now for the protein, I have some rotisserie chicken that we bought at Sam's and we took off the bone. So now I'm just going to chop up some of that real fine. That's what I'm going to use. I'll save that for the next salad. We're going to use just half of this apple. Much, because we're keeping it low carb. Two tablespoons of peanuts. Half of an avocado. A little cilantro. Now we're going to do the salad dressing. We're going to start the salad dressing with just a little bit of mayonnaise, probably a half a cup. Around a tablespoon of lemon juice. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. A half a teaspoon of black pepper. Just a tiny bit of salt. Around 1/4 of a teaspoon. A half a teaspoon of turmeric. A teaspoon of maple syrup, just to sweeten it a little. A tiny bit of parsley. If I had fresh, I would use fresh, but this is all I got. And now we're just going to give that a good mix. And now that we've got that mix, we're going to put around a tablespoon of olive oil. And now we're going to put our dressing on our salad. And now we're going to toss. Cranberries or raisins to this. You could add tomatoes. But we're trying to keep this salad as low in carbs as we can, but with a good amount of protein and good fats from your avocado. That looks like that's going to be a delicious salad, y'all. And I love this bowl because it gives you plenty of room to toss your salad in. That's going to be good, y'all. So if you got some celery, a little cabbage, and just a few vegetables in your fridge, you can use what you got and make yourself a low-carb salad. Okay, y'all, there you go. A high protein, a little fat, and not too many carbs, and a homemade celery salad. I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Tell down in the comments what else that you might could think to put in this. Give us all some ideas. Thanks for watching.